everyone, thank you for coming to my channel, and today I'm going to be looking at the Huawei Wi-Fi mobile hotspot. This is what I'll be unboxing and reviewing.
Counting double-digit thousands.
It's 150 megabits per second Wi-Fi hotspot, and the reason I purchased this was so I could take it away on holiday or short trips or visiting clients, and wanted to use a separate SIM so that I may get internet connectivity wherever I am. Being that it's unlocked, I can put any SIM in there in another country or another better offer for any data SIMs that I might want to use in this product. So this is the Huawei mobile Wi-Fi hotspot E5573B. Hi everyone, so this is going to be the unboxing of this mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. It's the 150 megabits per second model, and these are the specs on the back, as you can see. So gives connecting Wi-Fi devices up to 16. It can give a Wi-Fi at speeds of 2.4 gigahertz and a 1500 milliamp battery. That's at the top, around the sides, and the front. So let's get unboxing. So as I said, the reason I wanted to buy this was so that I could take it with me, not use my mobile phone SIM. But also, and then so I could put in a different SIM with a data package. So in the box you get the cable, standard USB-A, I believe that's the USB-B kit. Put that to one side, and on the other side we get the usual leaflets, warranty, how to, quick start guide, etc. Get rid of that. And inside the box now we come to the main part. Okay, here's the battery. So let's have a look at this one. Like the standard lithium battery, 3.8 volt, 1.5 amps. Just put that to one side for a moment, and then finally we come to the actual hardware itself. So that's the front of it. So we've got a message, i.e. text message symbol, Wi-Fi strength, battery level, and a button to connect your devices to this Wi-Fi hotspot. So around the side we have the USB connector, charging, powering it, and then on the back mobile Wi-Fi. Okay, looking around the back, you can flip it open by clipping it here, I believe. Do this carefully. Snap it. So yeah, so you get your details at the back, and that's where the SIM goes, and then the battery fits in here.